Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing, as you have read on the title, I'm reviving this hair. Well, I've already revived it. I've made some videos with it on, so if you go to my main homepage you will see what it looked like when it had better days. Well, its best days, let me say. But I think I did good, if I should say so myself.
I'm not sure I understand.
Bruh. Siri, I wasn't talking to you. Mind your business. Okay, so I've had this hair for a year. I was so tempted to throw it away because I'm not good with looking after hair. When it's kind of tacky, I just like bye. I thought, you know what, boo? You ain't a billionaire, okay? We ain't living that kind of life right now. We ain't living that kind of lifestyle. So I had to revive this hair. And I love deep wave, but I find it high maintenance. So I left the hair, and before I knew it, it literally turned into dreadlocks, like for real. So I did some research and I found the top 3 ways of reviving hair. So this is like a vigorous method for like real bad hair, guys. I'm talking about dusty ass hair that has been left for year plus, tangled, cobwebs, all of that. I think this method worked pretty well. This is very vigorous, and also I've seen a lot of videos, but not a lot of them have been on deep wave. A lot of them are body wave. So if I can do this on this hair, you can do it on any hair, okay? So without further ado, I know I talk too much. You guys be commenting when to fast forward this video, but let's go. Oh, one more thing, I'm not naked, okay? I got a boob tube on. I got a boob tube on, okay? Please say, what are you naked for? I ain't naked, okay? Alright, let's go. Okay, so this is my model, Jan. Look at her forehead, guys. Look what I did to her. But, I don't know why I'm like this. I'm so crazy. But yeah, I started with the Cantu conditioner. And then I realized, nah, I'm gonna use the TRESemme because the Cantu is usually for my natural hair. So yeah, we want to detangle first. I'm running the conditioner all through her hair, and then I'm gonna use my fingers to detangle. And this is just a nice way to start, guys, because there were some major knots in her hair, well, in this wig, and this just really helped get those out. So I'm also going to use this comb to just start detangling from the bottom. And you can see it's like a major knot at the bottom. Crazy. This took so long as well. It took maybe like, let me say an hour 45 minutes. So close to 2 hours. So yeah, you want to repeat doing this until you got the whole hair. I think I ended up using this whole bottle of TRESemme as well. So yeah, be prepared to use quite a bit of product, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've done the majority of the hair. You can see the texture has come back. It's looking nice and detangled. Got a bit of sheen to it. And the front, I've got an old closure. I'm going to replace that, so I'm not really going to bother detangling that too much. Just this little part because it's connected to my wefts. So I think I realized that I had to detangle this part as well. So this is just showing you what I did again. So I'm combing it. I've changed my brush. But yeah, brushing through it. I'm going to add some conditioner and then use the comb to detangle it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is mix a bit of this apple cider vinegar with water, put it in a spray bottle and spray the wefts. This is something I use to help clarify my hair. It's really a popular way to just clean all the dirt. So I'm focusing on the wefts because that's where most of the build-up is going to be, and I'm just combing that through, rubbing that all the way down, and I'm going to work my way down the hair so that I get every weft. So yeah guys, you can put in any spray bottle, and this is just a good way to make sure you get it nice and clean. Yeah, I recycled an NYX spray. Don't mind me. So you want to make sure you rub that in nice and well, and also just get the rest of the hair, massage it in all through. Okay, so once I have rinsed the conditioner, this is what it looks like. It's much softer, and I've got lots of much less detangles in my hair. And this is just a close-up so you can see what the wefts look like. I should have showed you it before, but it's much cleaner. And as you can see, the comb is flowing really nice through the hair now. Alright, it's time for the bleach bath. So I am using Domestos bleach, thick bleach. I got this from Tesco, and Ammonia from Homebase. It was very hard to find the Ammonia, guys, so make sure you do some research. Another major thing I need to tell you guys: when you mix ammonia and chlorine, you make chlorine gas. Okay, I work in a lab. It's something I know. It's very important. Do not mix these together at the same time. Make sure you rinse one after the other. And I'm going to wash that out with TRESemme clarifying shampoo. Okay, safety first. Got my gloves on. I don't really want to be handling bleach with my nails. And we're going to put this hair in the bath for about 2 minutes. So this is going to our bleach bath. This is going to go into our bleach bath for 2 minutes. So I didn't really want to take the camera to the bathroom because it was late at night, so this was the easiest way. I brought a bucket, I've put some bleach in the bucket, and I'm going to dip this wig into the bleach. Now I'm just waiting for 2 minutes, and then she's gonna come straight out. Look how dirty that water is. I haven't done a proper shampoo yet at this point, so it gets kind of grimy in there. But I am going to comb it through. And guys, when you do this right, you will notice the hair is very dry. Of course, the bleach is majorly drying, so it was not an easy brush. Take your time though. So I repeated this with ammonia. I did not show this because I did this outside. Like I said, chlorine gas is formed when they both are mixed, so you want to make sure you do it in a place that is well ventilated. Okay, so now I have this silica mix. I was so excited to try this. This was all over Twitter, all over YouTube. so I had to try it, guys. I bought this from Amazon. I'm gonna put all the links to where I purchased everything in the description bar. But yeah, this is boiling hot water, and I've added about half of the silicone mix in there and just giving it a nice stir. Look at my, I'm sorry, side note, but look at my saggy breasts. I'm not wearing no bra. I didn't even realize I look like this. Guys, let me tell you something. This silicone mix was amazing. Like, the smell is amazing. It made my hair so soft, and even though it left like a silicone film at the top of the hair, it works. It definitely works. I'm gonna put this wig in one of these Ziploc bags. Yeah, usually you'd use it for freezing stuff, but I'm gonna put this whole wig in there and boil this bad boy. So, and it goes. And then you squeeze out all the air and seal. And that's it. And this is gonna go in a hot saucepan, and we're gonna boil it for about 15 minutes. Although I think I left it for a little bit longer. So here we are in the kitchen. My mama's gonna kill me when she finds out I used this pan. It's like one of her favorite pots, man. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. In it goes. "15 minutes on the clock, and I'm boiling this baby." Somewhere here I realized that I left the clip in the hair, so I had to take it out and take that clip out, because I ain't trying to burn that clip. I need that. I ain't trying to melt that clip, sorry, I need it. And this is the finished look. So this is what it looks like after it was in that hot boiling water for about 15-20 minutes. I rinsed it, I dried it, and this is how she's looking. Close up again on the wefts. You can see the wefts are clean, no build up, no nothing, no dirt, everything fresh. I loved how it came out and how clean she was. And I'm going to replace this closure, guys, and make a whole new wig. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope it was informative enough, and hopefully it helped you realize that you can revive any hair, even that raggedy one that you were this close to throwing in the bin. It can be revived. You can give it a whole new life. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking because it's actually like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm ready to go to bed, but thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah.